The list shows the course objectives and the topics covered in this module. Transmission oil forms a film between moving parts of transmission and helps to reduce friction, wear and tear of parts. It also helps in keeping the components cool. Transmission oil is mixture of base lubricating oil and additives. Additives help to carry load or pressure and give anti-wear properties. API or American Petroleum Institute gives GL, that is gear lubricant grading for manual transmission oils. GL1 for light load conditions. GL2 and 3 for moderate load conditions. GL4 for light to heavy load conditions. GL5 for severe load conditions. GL6 for very heavy load conditions. Most modern passenger vehicle gearboxes and differentials require GL4 grade oil. SAE or Society of Automotive Engineers gives viscosity rating as number to transmission oils. For example, SAE 90 or SAE 80. Viscosity of a fluid is its rate of flow. The higher viscosity number indicates the thickness of the fluid. For example, SAE 90 oil is thicker than SAE 80 oil. Viscosity for gear oil is not comparable with engine oil as they are thinner than engine oil. For example, 75W90 gear oil has an equivalent viscosity to a 10W40 engine oil. Transmission oil keeps transmission components clean by removing and suspending the wear and tear particles of metal. It also removes and suspends the rust particles. The amount of these impurities depends on time period that oil has been in transmission, distance traveled since last oil change, driving conditions, that is, driving in hot and high speed conditions, condition of transmission. Let us examine the transmission oil level check and replacement procedure. Transmission oil level check. Turn the engine off and wait for 5 minutes. Locate the transmission oil dipstick. Pull out or unscrew the transmission oil dipstick fully. Wipe it by clean cloth or tissue. Insert the dipstick and remove it again to check the oil level. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated on the dipstick. The oil level should be at least above the middle point between maximum and minimum mark. If the level is low, fill the recommended oil through dipstick hole by using a funnel till the level reaches up to the maximum level on the dipstick. Replace the dipstick securely. If the transmission oil level is below minimum mark or a rapid decrease in level is indicated, further diagnosis is required for possible leakage. To avoid overfilling, some vehicles do not come with dipstick on the transmission. These vehicles generally have a filling cum level plug on the side of transmission housing. To check the oil level, the vehicle must be parked on a level surface or raised on a lift. Jacking up only front wheels will tilt the vehicle and will not give an accurate indication of the oil level. Remove the filling cum level plug. Some fluid should come out of the hole. If no oil comes out, add oil to bring it up to the hole level. Transmission oil replacement. Lift the vehicle on 2-post lift. Locate the drain plug. Place the appropriate container below it to collect used oil. Remove the drain plug with correct spanner. Allow used oil to drain in container fully. Do not allow the spillage of oil on ground. This can result in soil and water pollution. Do not allow the used oil to come in contact with your skin. Wear the appropriate gloves while removing the drain plug. After draining the used oil fully, wipe the drain plug hole and the area around it. Apply liquid gasket on the drain plug threads and tighten it to the recommended torque. Locate the transmission oil dipstick and remove the same. Fill the recommended quantity and grade of transmission oil through the same with the help of funnel. Check the transmission oil level on dipstick. Add more oil if needed. Install the dipstick securely. To fill oil in case of transmissions with no dipsticks, remove the filling cum level plug. Fill the recommended grade of transmission oil with the help of oil pump. The oil level should come up to the filler plug level. Stop filling oil when a small quantity of oil comes out. Apply liquid gasket on the filler cum level plug, drain plug threads and tighten it to the recommended torque. This completes the module on transmission oil replacement.